Hello friends, how you all doing? Well, I'm really sorry for the delay in making the part 2 of my new exhaust video. I really got held up with my office and business work, so I could not do it, and off late it has been raining. So that is the reason my motorbike is dirty right now. Please excuse that. And yes, this is the new exhaust, the new complete free flow exhaust that I have installed on my KTM Duke 390. And okay, let us take a closer look. This is Moto Torque and it says race use only. Well, probably without the decibel killer which goes back inside the baffle, using it on a regular road would be quite loud. So if you have issues with police around, if the cops in your town don't like loud exhaust, then probably just put the baffle inside. And even for very long rides, the baffle would help. I currently don't have the baffle inserted. So this is a chrome, a kind of plated exhaust, so this would not rust as easily as my previous exhaust rusted. And if you see the middle pipe is really good. It does not have any sharp bends. It's very well fabricated. And the reason why I chose this exhaust over many other options like the IXIL 55, which fits the KTM Duke 390, and you have many other options these days. So I have a few reasons. Number one, I like to support products which are made in India, and if the quality is good, I like to buy them. The reason being, I like to support my country's economy, and that is very important for all of us to do. And number two, this exhaust is so lightweight. If you're speaking about a performance exhaust, the number one factor is that the exhaust has to be as light as possible. The IXIL 55 exhaust, which I was thinking to put on, weighed at least double than this Moto Torque exhaust, and this one is very light. I do not know how much it weighs. I did not check the weight. However, I think probably 2 kilograms and not more than that. The whole thing, the middle pipe and the muffler. So that is really a lightweight exhaust. And if you are taking your stock exhaust off and putting this exhaust onto your motorbike, then you would probably be saving about 5 or 6 kilograms, because the stock exhaust, I think, easily weighs about 8 kilograms at least. So number three reason, it's so affordable. With installation and everything, I paid about 7,500 rupees, and from some dealers you can get it for lesser cost also. And this one, number four reason, is that it looks good and it is not a very short muffler. You know why I don't like very short mufflers? They look cool, but they sound just too loud, unbearably loud on your ears and also onto ears of the people who are on the road. So if a muffler is slightly longer, then it would have more sound dampening, and also the free flow wouldn't matter if it's short or long. You know, the gas would exit anyhow. And well, what more can I tell you all about this exhaust? It comes with 1 year warranty. Well, I'll put up the links where you can buy this exhaust. I'll put it up in the description. You can check it out. And if you're in Hyderabad, then my friend Vinay, he's a dealer. He can help you out. And if you're talking about performance gains, well, of course, number one, you're losing a lot of weight compared to the stock exhaust. Number two, it is free flow. So if you can put a free flow aftermarket air filter like the K&N or any of those, and then buy a Powertronics or anything which is a piggyback ECU and remap it, change the fueling, then I'm sure you can get about 3 to 4 horsepower increase in the top end power, which is quite a bit for a lightweight motorbike like this. Let me do a clip of the sound and you can check it out. I would take the motorbike into that place so that the sound doesn't escape and you can check it out better. Alright friends, let us check out the sound. Now this is without baffle, and I could not get the baffle with me. I'll do it probably in the next video sometime. Sorry, I forgot about doing that. Never mind, I can always do another video with the baffle. But she sounds the best without the baffle, by the way. So let's crank it up. Sound at idle. The whole thing echoes. She's got a lot of bass, this exhaust, and that is what I like. And well, if you heard any kind of crackling, that is not from the exhaust, that is from the parts of the motorbike. You know, with the thump, the bass that this exhaust puts out, some other parts on the motorbike, they kind of vibrate and they crackle. So that's not the sound from the exhaust, by the way. Alright, so I'll go do a ride again, and that's it friends. Any questions, let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.